If you are a project manager, a construction manager, or an engineer, you know this pain. You ask two subcontractors for a quote, and what do you get? Two completely different documents. One is a pristine digital PDF, and the other is a scanned piece of paper that looks like it was faxed in 1998. Comparing the specs, finding the hidden costs, and mapping them side by side in Excel takes hours out of our week. But what if we could automate the whole thing? Today, I'm going to show you a prototype I built using C# and the Gemini 2.5 Flash API. This tool literally reads the PDFs, even the scanned ones, extracts the data, and builds a comparative matrix for us in seconds. Let's dive in. Quote A is a clean digital PDF from vendor 1. It lists out various sizes of 110 by 70 mm concrete lintels, from 900 mm up to 2700 mm, coming to a total of about 52,258 Rand. Quote B is from vendor 2. Look at this one. It's a scanned printout from an older point-of-sale system. Not only is the formatting messy, but it also bundles the lintels with completely different items, like 50-kilogram bags of cement and steel door jambs, pushing the bottom line to over 206,000 Rand. Manually, I'd have to read through these. Extract just the lintel pricing from the vendor to scan. Here is the custom desktop app I built. It's written in C# using WPF and material design. I just drag and drop the PDFs right here. Notice it accepts the files instantly. Now, the magic happens. I hit Compare Quotations. Look at that UI. While it's spinning, here's what's happening under the hood. The app is taking those raw PDF files and sending them directly to the Google Gemini API. I didn't even have to write any OCR code to read the scanned document. Gemini is multimodal, meaning it can see the PDF natively. I instructed the AI to act as an expert quantity surveyor, compare the specs, and return a clean tabulated data. Boom, there it is. Look at how perfectly it mapped this out into a dynamic table. It pulled the vendor names, lined up the unit prices, and even generated a PM analysis column. Notice the absolute magic it pulled off here. It recognized that we only want an apples-to-apples comparison of the overlapping items.